Ciao and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ambra and today I want to show you some Italian words that you never use in the plural form. Keep watching to find them out. Before we start, if you're not familiar with the plural form in Italian, check out this lesson first where I walk you through all the basics. That's because today I won't tell you how to turn a word from singular to plural, but I'm only gonna focus on some exceptions. In particular, we'll look at what we call nomi difettivi, which are those words missing either the plural or the singular form. In this video, we'll only see the ones with no plural, and I'll leave the second category for another lesson. So make sure you subscribe not to miss the second part. To make these words easier to remember, I split them into groups. In the first one, you find the abstract terms, and so those words that refer to ideas or concepts, like for example, il coraggio, courage, l'amore, love, la bontà, kindness, and la pazienza, patience. Il coraggio, l'amore, la bontà, la pazienza. Then we have some type of food such as il pane, which is the bread. Other examples are il latte, milk, il riso, rice, il burro, butter, il sale, salt, il pepe, black pepper, and il miele, honey. Now just a note about the chocolate. The words cioccolato in the masculine and cioccolata in the feminine have no plural, and they normally refer to a bar of chocolate or hot chocolate. If you want to call the chocolates instead, you need to say il cioccolatino if it's one, or I cioccolatini if they are many. Il cioccolatino, I cioccolatini. Next category is made of those things that are unique and only exists one of them, like for instance the equator. L'Equatore. Other examples include the cardinal points, which are il nord, north, il sud, south, l'est, east, and l'ovest, west. Il nord, il sud, l'est, l'ovest. Moving on, physical sensations don't usually have a plural either. So for example, la sete, which means thirst, and la fame, that is the hunger. The months as well don't have a plural form. For instance, febbraio, February, aprile, April, giugno, June, agosto, August, ottobre, October, and dicembre, December. Watch my video here if you want to learn the other months in Italian. Also some feast days are only used in the singular, such as il Natale, Christmas, il Capodanno, New Year's Eve, il Carnevale, Carnival, and la Pasqua, Easter. Il Natale, il Capodanno, il Carnevale, la Pasqua. The next group of words with no plural are some disease, for example, la febbre is the fever, l'influenza is the flu, and il morbillo is the measles. Also metals and chemical elements are generally used only in the singular form. For instance, l'oro, gold, l'argento, silver, il ferro, iron, and l'ossigeno, oxygen. L'oro, l'argento, il ferro, l'ossigeno. In the following group, I've included some collective nouns such as la gente, that means people, and la roba, which is an Italian word to refer to things and stuff. La gente, la roba. Finally, I want to add a couple of words that don't really fit in one of the previous categories, but that you must know. These are il sangue is the blood, l'igiene means hygiene, la polizia is the police, and la mezzanotte, that's midnight. Il sangue, l'igiene, la polizia, la mezzanotte. And this is everything for today. As always, thanks so much for watching. Grazie mille. Remember to also check out my lesson on the plural form if you haven't already. Subscribe for a weekly lesson and I'll see you soon. A presto. Ciao ciao!